Hello and welcome back to Glorious DIY YouTube channel. An idea just came to my mind about how I can improve my twisted wig. So it's beginning to look really old. I have an idea as to how I can make it look even better and so that I can use it for a longer time. So for this method, what I'm going to use is basically wool. Some people call it yarn, 100% acrylic yarn. So that's what I'm going to use, and I have prepared this ready. So this is what I'm going to use. I'm just going to start by sectioning the hair. I'll section it into like 10, into batches of 10, and I will use my 100% acrylic yarn. It all depends on where you want the curls to start from. So basically I want to use the 100% acrylic yarn to curl the hair. So I want the curl to start somewhere around here. So I'm going to start by securing the base. I'll secure the base and then tie about 2 or 3 knots at the base. So this is the 3rd knot. And now that the base is well secured, I'm going to start by winding the yarn around the hair, and I will leave some space in between as I go downwards. So now that I'm towards the end, I'm going to push this back, and then I'll tie it, and I'll tie another 2 extra knots. So this is what I'm going to do throughout the hair before I proceed to the next stage. So this is it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to use hot water to set the curls. So I'll basically dip each one into the water for about 20 seconds each. So I folded my towel here. I folded the towel several times to give enough protection for my hands when I remove each one from the hot water. So I basically use the towel to absorb the hot water, and this is how each one will look after removing it from the hot water. Okay. So I'll continue by dipping each one into the hot water for roughly 20 seconds each. 15 to 20 seconds is perfect. Next, I'm going to unravel the curls by cutting the yarn at both ends to reveal the curls. straighten it here as well. Okay, so this is the hair with the yarn cut at both ends, and then I'll basically start to separate the twists to reveal the curls, and I'm going to do this throughout my head. Next one. It's a completely reversible method. If you want to change the curls, if you want to straighten out the curls, if you don't want to have the curls anymore, all you have to do is to dip the hair in hot water again, and that will straighten the hair. So usually curls made from kanekalon material kind of hair, they are usually very durable. So the curls are going to remain this way except you straighten the curls with hot water. So and it's very cheap. I didn't need much materials to do this. I only used yarn, and you can also use thread as well. So whichever one you have, you can use. You don't need much material to do, and it's completely fast. It gives your braided wig a completely different look. It looks like you have just bought a new one. So guys, let me know what you think about this method. Remember to like, share, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.